Good day, mates. Mrs. All here. I'm coming to you live from Sydney, Australia, and it's been a real kicker of a day. I played with some koalas, some dingoes, some kangaroos, and it's been great, mate. It's really, really great. Okay, let's jump right into our final water evaporation experiment, lesson number 4. Don't worry, there's not a 5th lesson. Here we go. Just to get us all on the same page, we are actually on day number 21 of our water evaporation experiment. So in Google Classroom, your observation docs should look just like mine. 21 days we've been watching the water leave the cup. It's magical. Okay, here is where we left off. We were at 120 milliliters. I had asked all of you to make a prediction for what might happen next. Let's see what happened. Okay, so you should have left off right here, day 15, made your prediction. Oh, Mrs. Hall. Wait, oh, let me just put this up. Day 16. Okay, here we are. I forgot. Can't believe it. I forgot to take a picture of the cup on day 15. Okay, can't do the accent anymore. Just going to talk to you in my real voice. So I forgot, not really, but I did not post day 15 because I want to see if your prediction was right based on your graphing and the data that you knew so far. So here we are, day 16. We're at 100 milliliters. All right, 100 milliliters. So if we were at 120 milliliters on day 14, we're now down to 100 milliliters on day 16, then it's safe to say that on day 15, if you predicted 110 milliliters, you were right. Let's check day 17. On day 17, we got a reading of 90 milliliters. On day 19, we were down to 80 milliliters. I wonder what happened on day 18. If we were on 90 milliliters on day 17, and now we're at day 19, we're at 80. I wonder what happened on day 18. Day 20, 25. And do you see a creepy drawing in the background? Maybe you do. That's my daughter. Don't be scared. It's a very nice troll. Okay, so here we are, day 20. We're down to about 75 mLs here. And what I want you to notice is that some days the water is evaporating at a rate of 10 milliliters per day, and some days the water is evaporating at 5 milliliters per day. Interesting. Here we are at day 21. Here we are at day 21, and there's 70 milliliters. Okay, so very interesting now. This is our stopping. Let's update our graph in our Google Classroom log. So at this point, you might want to pause my video and you might want to grab your graph that you've been using, open up Google Classroom, fill in the data, and then we can continue when you're ready. Here is what your water evaporation chart should look like on Google Classroom. Notice I've recorded days 14 through 21. Again, we predicted that on day 15, it would probably be about 110 milliliters because that's the average number between 120 and 100. And then on day 18, I asked you to make a prediction. I predicted maybe around 85 mLs because that would be exactly between 80, and 90. Okay, time to synthesize the new data. Let's update our graphs. Again, we left off day 14. Remember, you need to find the coordinate that matches the days that have passed and the milliliters. So for day 16, remember I put my dot on day 16 and at the intersection of 100 milliliters. And again, we predicted 110, and look at that. It's exactly the amount. Here we go. Day 17, we recorded 90 milliliters. Day 19, again, over to 80. All right, so we skip day 18. See how that line passes through 85 mLs? That's how we know we're right. We're now at day 19. Day 20 at 75 milliliters. So make sure your red dot or your little dot on your own line graph is right kind of in between the 80 and the 70 here, but on the line of day 20. And here we are at day 21. Sorry, these little lines got a little bit messed up, but that's okay. And here we are at day 21. And now we're going to pause here. And I have a really important question. So my big question for you mathematicians is, what day do you think the water will completely evaporate from the cup? Completely. And based on the data, we can really guess that the water will evaporate at a rate of 5 to 10 milliliters per day. So what is your hypothesis? Do you have any observations, any predictions? Please post on the Padlet. I love all your work, and I will make one more lesson, very short video to announce what day it actually completely evaporated on. But thank you so much for all your hard work. I love all your graphs, and I can't wait to see all your math. All right.